Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week, 10th of April 2023. We had a bank holiday in London and Europe, but we managed very good profit just trading few hours at the New York session. Let me share with you guys how I help my traders to squeeze amazing profit through live intraday analysis. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. All right, so Euro USD, pretty straightforward. As explained to my trader, we were expecting this symmetry triangle pattern breakout, as you can see here. The price nicely broken, and afterward, as explained, my trader just keep taking a pullback. So beautiful short trade this afternoon at the New York session. So we were expecting this breakout, as you can see here. Let me share with you. This is the analysis. Okay. So that was a pretty straightforward. We had a sideways market breakout short trade here, bank beautiful first target, bank some profit, and after banking some profit, as explained to my trader, take another pullback if you see any pullback. So you can see we have another pullback which we announced through live audio commentary. Beautiful, another short trade, bank amazing profit on Euro USD. So pound dollar, more or less the same pattern we had it. Beautiful. If you look at the 4-hour chart, we had this price nicely respected this support level. So we were expecting this breakout. As you can see here, this is the previous low, which was previously respected. So we were expecting this breakout. Price nicely broken, beautiful short trade here. After the breakout, as expected, another pullback. So you can see here, beautiful analysis at the New York session. This was the trade, which previously we give us the hints. If you look at the price broken, develop a false breakout. So that's a good sign of short trade here. Second, if you look at the 4-hour chart, price was at the major resistance level. Beautiful breakout, short trade, banking some profit. After banking, as explained, look for another pullback if you develop. You can see here, based on the another analysis, we have another beautiful pullback short trade here. So you can see guys, we had amazing trade on both pound dollar and the Euro USD, and also in dollar CAD. Pretty straightforward. You can see here the price develop up channel pattern. So we were expecting this breakout. So we had this breakout. You can see here price broken this one, previous high. So we had a short trade here, which banked few PPs. Afterwards, we had a long trade here. Once the price respected the support level. Let me explain to you in intraday how we traded. If you look at the first trade, we had a short trade here. That was a pretty straightforward, a breakout short trade. As soon as the price hit this level, it's major support level in 4-hour. That's why I explained my trader. Either you consider tightening stop loss or consider banking some few pips. As soon as the price reverse, we look at the price action in intraday. Pretty straightforward. If you look at here, we have inverted head and shoulder pattern. Price was at the major support level, and price refused to stay below this broken previous low level. That gives us the significant high probability of long trade here, which I explained through live audio commentary and through live intraday analysis. Price broken, hit to the first target, which explained my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. So just in few hours, we had amazing trades on at the New York session, guys. I hope you enjoyed this analysis, but as always mentioned to you guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. Or if you are still struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill with a live in intraday analysis and also opportunities to get funded. For information, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.